The difference between a mechanist and an atheist is the same as between an anarchist and a bon vivant. I know, weird math, but stick with me. You know how in like the SAT, they have bird is to stick as battleship is to soldier? So a mechanist is data-based, takes a vow to the facts, nothing but. The atheist, whilst also data-based, follows dogma, belief. And more often than that, it's left to capricious and convenient interpretations. I like that church. The lady of my convenience. Hello? God damn it. Hello? Mom? Mom!